Hi, this is Mishari Mazhar, and this is a video of 6.4 on performance analysis. And we are going to looking today about some execution plans. So, for this right here, this is a query that I'm doing against the sales order detail database. I'm looking for a product ID and the unit price with this unit price is greater than 245. I can do a control and this will tell me what is estimated execution plan is going to be. You can see this time and what's going to through a number of rows to be read of 1 to 1 317 double triple zero that it's going to read. It says that we do need index that the estimation. If I go ahead and write it, have come over up here and said, well, show me the actual execution plan. So I have seen the estimated. I want to see the actual when I execute this. So I execute. It comes down here. It is still telling us we have a 92.16% impact. I'm going through a clustered index. It is having to read through all those rows. If I right right click on, hence I say that when I right click on, missing index details, it will open up another screen with the information to create that index. It does have a genetic missing index details name. I named this one just as so that I can find out what is it's find easier, and I go ahead and I execute this. Go to create. Now if I come up and here on my sales other details, I'm refresh my index. Still should now be the execution plan come up and said see, instead of clustered index, it's now I'm using an index scan, and then the number of estimated rows to be read is going to 13 to 25% even of what is going to be before. So much quicker, it's much more efficient. I did the same thing over here where I used a production transaction history and I pulled the product ID, the reference order ID, show the actual execution plan. Again, I can do the control L and look at the estimated if I wanted to execute this. In the execution plan, we have got a 90% hit rate against the cluster index scan. It's having to read through 113 tetra 0. Again, I can right click come through missing index details, uncomment this, uncommand this, give it a name, execute the index. If I come over to the production transaction history and the refresh it, we have a new index by the name that I gave it, and I can go back and return the scan and execute. And now my execution plan show that I'm using an index 6, and again I have been dropped to like 10% of the number of rows that were needed to read, and it comes back much quicker. So this is very useful, very important to able to watch and make sure that we are utilizing indexes where they are needed, and performance the SQL server per profiles per very useful. And you can turn this on and start a trace, and then you can start executing this on my phone and with other with database 8-step things from last week that I executed against this. And now you can go through and you can see exactly what is happening on the each step. It is rolling through the database and who is talking and when it's creating joins and forth. So if you are having any issue with them, any kind of query or something, just hang something just doesn't seem to look right, opening and up the server profile and letting it run a trace while executing those commands can be very helpful in trying to identify just what's going on. Could be an authentication issue, all sorts of different things. So anyways, this is my video, and thank you so much.